You may have seen a lot of this kind of animation on social media. It's called whiteboard animation. You can start a faceless YouTube channel in this video. I will share the method of making a YouTube video with whiteboard animation in just a few clicks. Today, I will use Canva to make the whiteboard animation canvas. Creating the account, your dashboard will be like this one. First of all, we have to create a new design. You can create a design from here by your design type or create a custom design by entering pixel value. I will create a new design with 1920 x 1080 pixels. After entering the value, click on Create New Design, and this is the creator page. Now we have to select an idea. For example, I want to make kids learning videos about animal introduction with the alphabet. Let's begin with Add a text heading for the text tab, replace the alphabet, adjust its position, and then enter a word that resembles the alphabet, such as ant. Next, we need to enter an image or sketch of the ant. Go to the Elements tab and search for Sketch Ant. A large number of sketches will appear in the Graphic tab. You can choose to see them in black and white or color. Now that the first image is ready, let's go on to the second. Click the duplicate icon here to duplicate the design, then scroll down and choose the second page. After choosing the pieces, adjust their size and position. Give the design time to achieve better results. In this manner, construct new pages and designs for every letter of the alphabet. For tutorial purposes, I will only go with 3 pages after changing the alphabet to B and entering a word that resembles with letter, and then entering a related drawing. Completing the design, click on the Share button from here, and then download all of the images as PNG files. Okay, our designs are ready. Now we will create the whiteboard animation with these images. To do this, first click on the File button from here, and then select Create New Design, and then select Video. After coming to the new page, come to the App tab, and then search for Speedpaint without giving any space between the words. Now, select the Speedpaint tool from here. First, we have to upload the image. We want to turn it into an animation. Let's upload the first design. After uploading the images, choose the FPS. I'll keep it at 60. Next, let's set the sketch length time to 10. Next, let's set the color fill duration to 10, assuming your photos have color. Assuming not, choose 0. Finally, let's set the background color to white, which will be followed by the hand animation. After everything is set, click the Animate Picture option if you want to add a wipeout effect or if you want a hand animation. If not, skip it. It will take some time to animate the image. Let's first forward the video. And here it is. You can see that a video clip has been added to the video page. Now click on the 3-dot menu, and then select Set as Background to full screen the video. Let's see the result. That's good, but a little bit lengthy. Let's regenerate it with some customization. I will reduce the sketch duration and color fill duration, and here is our result without color fills looking very bad. Let's regenerate with minimum color fill duration. I believe that everything is currently ideal. Always experiment with the value to achieve a better outcome. Now that our first animation is complete, let's create animation another one using the second image. Click the plus sign to start a new page, then select the Speedpaint tab, upload the second image, and click Choose File. Since the current settings work better, I won't make any changes. Once you click the Animate button, our animation will start. Put the video as the background to create animation for each and every the images. You can add some extra footage at the start of the video to make the video more captivating. Okay, after all is set, hit the Share button from here and then select Download to download the video as an MP4 video file. And our video is ready. Let's have a look. That's really a good whiteboard animation video. You can add more elements in a voiceover to make a perfect kids learning whiteboard animation video. If you want to make a detailed tutorial on this, let me know in the comments section. I will make a thorough video, friends, please. I'll now finish our video, but before I do, I'd love to know about your experience using Canva to create a whiteboard animation. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, happy creating. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more incredible tutorials like this one.